Hi guys. So we just touched down in Guadeloupe. No, so on vient d'atterrir en Guadeloupe. So this is actually day one. We took a flight from Montreal. It was delayed. I didn't vlog a lot this morning, but we're here. We made it. It's hot. Guys, so this is the first Airbnb location that we're at. So first we have the little kitchen area here. So with a stove, microwave, fridge, cute little section. And then living room area. We still have our luggages and we're setting up everything. So here we have the kitchen, the little table here that we're gonna be eating, couch, TV, and there's a balcony outside there. I'll be able to film in the mornings to show you guys again. And there's two bedrooms. So there's one bedroom here, like this. And then come closer. So here, there's also a closet. So there's like the hangers. Actually, there's only one hanger that's left. So, and then there's stuff here so we can arrange the clothes. And the balcony, I'll show you guys tomorrow. So that's the first room. They pretty much look alike. All the rooms are very similar. And the second room, this one, same setup. Twin bed, I believe. And here we have the view from outside. There's another balcony, and on the other side there is also another closet and two towels that they provided. So that's it. So this is a little tour of the first Airbnb. So I'll be able to show you guys along the way. We're gonna go get something to eat because we're hungry. Guys, il y a du compas dans toutes les radios. Bon, on va aller manger de la pizza.
Et puis,
on va essayer de trouver un bokit. Bokit, c'est un...
ça, les...
C'est un quoi?
Bib Haïti.
Est-ce que c'est bib haïtien ou bien?
Alors, on va démarrer sur la première partie. On attend que monsieur arrive parce que c'est important ce que je vais dire.
Okay.
Il n'y a pas de souci.
Allez, on est tous
Oui, vous êtes fous. Alors, du coup, sur la première proposition, on va avoir le sur-mesure. Le sur-mesure, vous allez composer vos bokits en 4 étapes. Sur la première étape, on va avoir le choix de la pâte. On aura la pâte classique ou la pâte du jour qui va être à 1 € de plus. Ça va être la pâte curcuma. Mais il va me rester du poulet mariné Colombo. J'aurai du poulet mariné façon orientale. J'aurai de l'agneau. Ensuite, on va avoir des extras qui vont être à 1 €. On aura 4 fromages. On aura de l'emmental, du cheddar, de la feta ou encore de la mozzarella. Et toujours en extra, on aura du jambon, des champignons et également du bacon qui sera à 1,60 €. Ça, c'est sur la première proposition. Sur la deuxième proposition, on va avoir notre spécialité. Ce sont des bokits déstructurés qu'on appelle les bostiques. Vous avez le visuel juste ici, en haut, à gauche, d'accord? Vous l'avez juste devant, vous aussi, vous pouvez voir de plus près.
Okay,
et pour terminer, pour les plus indécis, on a les bokits de sélection. Où là, en l'occurrence, vous avez juste à sélectionner un bokit de votre choix en nous indiquant la pâte et la sauce que vous désirez.
Ok.
Et là, messieurs, dames, je vous écoute. Ça va?
Super, super. Non, pas de question.
Perfect.
Alors, qu'est-ce qui est le plus populaire?
Ce que tu prends.
Alors, ça dépend.
Oui.
Est-ce que tu veux mon bonbon aussi, monsieur?
Un petit peu pour moi aussi.
Il est fort.
Ouais,
C'est ça.
Pour monsieur, on y va.
À l'attaque.
On n'a pas peur.
On n'a pas peur. Les soldats là, soldats.
Du coup, il met ma pression là. So guys, we just went to Bukit Center. I mean, we're at Bukit Center right now, and I'm going to try the bukit for the first time. So bukit is a popular dish in Guadeloupe, and this specific spot, it's called the Bukit Center, and they allowed us to mix and match and make our own sandwiches, a little bit like Subway, but Guadeloupe style. So I'm gonna try this. This is how it looks like. So huge, and this was €6 approximately. I think, yeah, €6 for this. 9? C'était 19, ouais, 2. Okay, so it's €9 for this. So this is only €9 because we added what we wanted inside. But if you take one that's already pre-made by them, you actually don't have to. It's not 9, it's 6.90 or something. So, and that. Petit piment bien bon là-dedans. Le poulet Colombo est bon. C'est comme un poulet au curry. Oh my god. Yo.
Merci.
Habis sudah. Oh wow. Ah ouais? On m'a dit de pas déshabiller. Mais pourquoi faut pas déshabiller? Parce que sinon ça va tomber?
Oui.
Oui. J'entends pas les instructions. Yo. J'ai pris le poulet Colombo. Juste parce que je me suis dit, j'ai essayé quelque chose de différent. Bon. Guys. Must try. If you guys are in Guadeloupe and want to try some nice, not Guadeloupe, if you're in Pointe-à-Pitre, there's Abim, but I think they have it almost everywhere. I'm gonna link their Instagram so you guys can go check it out, but definitely a must try. Either in this restaurant or another one. Definitely try some bukit.
Follow the signs, you're looking like a one-way. Gotta make the right choice. Hope I make the right noise. Hoping that you like boys like me. I know you're feeling me from across the room. I got a feeling you could be my muse. I hear strange when I see you. You say green, but I see blue. Either way, your eyes the ones I'm looking to. When I'm hell first, falling from heaven, baby. Living on the prayer that you catch and save me. I was on.
So we actually came through another side, and this is like the resort side. This is Club Med, and the beach is right next to it. But depending on where you come from, you can just go from the beach. But so I'm gonna show you guys the way out, so you guys can know what's the way in. Because this is actually like a private beach, but here it's not. So if you go over there, there's all the chairs where we're sitting down. So now here it's more like a public beach. The walk that you need to do once you park, and then you come out here. Once you come here from that passageway,
Alright guys, so I'm just gonna show you how we got to the beach because I feel like it was not really clear once we got there and we weren't sure what to do. So first off, you follow the sign on the road to Plage La Caravelle. We find your spot to park. We actually paid at this lady's house where she allowed us to park her car, but there's other spots where you can pay. I can't remember the price, but if I do, I will put it in the description box. So this is what it looks like. You see all the seaweed. There's a lot of like trash going on, but this is a trust the process moment. Like you walk through these trash, I guess, and then you end up being in a nice beach. Like the beach is really nice after, and we really enjoyed the time. And just so you know, Plage La Caravelle is actually one of the top 5 beaches in Guadeloupe. It's either that you would go from Club Med and pay a fee, or you can just walk around here. We ended up seeing 2 food trucks. They were both Haitian owned. We ended up staying at this one just because it spoke to us a little bit more, but both of the menus were very similar. They had agulous, they had bouquets, they had all the Guadeloupe favorites food, and we just ended up taking some acra de morue, which for us in Haiti is marinade. But either way, we really enjoyed the food. Let me show you guys what we got.
So this is bouquet, but I guess like more chic style version. This one has like ham and cheese.
Merci.
Merci. Tinggal wa mapime. So people know. So this is what the Airbnb looks like from the outside, and it looks like a prison. I'm not gonna lie. Like the whole neighborhood doesn't look so nice, but inside is another thing. You guys, I'm gonna show you what inside looks like. C'est pas très jojo, mais ça fait l'affaire. À l'intérieur est joli, mais l'extérieur reste à désirer.
On a l'électricité.
Yeah, that's another thing too. We lost power earlier.
Bien, un peu de frigidaire, ça fait.
Ah ouais? Pas rien, non? Essaye d'appuyer sur ça.
Je n'ai pas quoi ces problèmes.
Bon.
Yeah, à suivre. So we lost power because they're having a, comment dire ça?
Grève.
How do you say grève in English? They're having a strike for retirement. And so this is the outside I wanted to show you guys. I didn't get the chance to show. And here, like this. Yeah,
because they're not happy about the working condition and the retirement plans, so they're making strikes. I totally understand them because in the way that we live life, we need to be secured for retirement. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye guys, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.